Right. Hello, everyone. I am Bowser Jr. XD, and welcome to the SpeedyCast.com 220 at Texas Motor Shithole. Yes, I called it that. Anyway, I got my man Dave the Race Fan and the Starlight Alchemist on Discord as well. I think we're about ready to go to one to go. I'm glad they actually got it as miles and not kilometers for once. I hate calling it that. The SpeedyCast.com 400. So, SpeedyCast.com 220. It always screws it up. They haven't run on it yet. And now we got a one move. There's no track to run on. Anyway, we're ready to go to green. I predicted Sauter. Dave, I think, picked John Hunter Nemechek. No, did he? Sheldon Creed.
John Hunter down on the inside and Ben Rhodes on the outside. Getting ready for the green, and it is out.
All right. Anyway, we're now green with a great side-by-side view to start off. Show the speed. Rhodes and Nemechek side-by-side.
Through one. Not much shifting through the field.
Trying to avoid the black shit. AKA traction compound. Here comes Austin Hill as well for third. Anyway, like usual, since we're I will cut the recording after lap one and come back for crashes and stage ends. So you all have enjoy this race so far. For that.
Heard the report on him from pit road just prior to the start of the race, and that's the 26 of Tyler Ankrum right behind him. The 19 of Derek Kraus is ahead of Creed. Creed looking to make the move on him.
The SpeedyCast.com 220. Oh, Sheldon Creed around. Last year's champion into the wall. The back of his truck up. And that's why traction compound sucks nards. Because you slip around it. I think he was in that, right? Or something happened.
Break this down a little bit. Looks like he tries to make a run to the bottom.
It looks like he slipped.
He slipped up.
Loose here, slides up into it. He's okay right now. And he gets all four in the traction compound. Not going to stick.
I think what happened there is he tried to make the move, tried to get the truck in front of him to get a little bit of space.
Please, God, don't put. It's like putting oil on the track. Heck, you think you'd learn? It's All-Star Weekend. You think you'd learn from 2001 that putting slippery shit on a track doesn't do anything, makes it worse.
And then got into the traction compound that wasn't quite gripped up the way he needed it.
Have you seen my video on that?
If I'm gonna be really honest, dude, I don't like memes at all. So I don't watch meme videos. And don't tell Aaron I don't watch his videos either, because I don't like memes. I don't.
Sheldon came on the radio right after that accident, said completely my fault. A move that he knew he probably shouldn't have made right there. They're going to have to salvage what they can.
Alright, well that was shitty, so I guess I'll be back with more. Yo, it looks like we got a crash that we missed because of frickin' commercial. Fuck you, Fox. Another one! In the same place! Smashed through the wall again! NASCAR! Learn! Don't put this shitty slick shit on tracks! It makes it ugly, and it makes it ugly for the drivers.
Oh my God, you missed the shitty compound with shitty track, you're going to get shitty results.
Here's an idea. If you want to make the track better, how about you don't fucking reconfigure it? Or how, better idea, close down the goddamn place and move back to North Wilkesboro. You stupid fucks. Alright, rant over, and I'll come back for the next thing. We've got a caution, again. Which means that this will be the end of the stage. Nemechek wins stage 1, Austin Hill 2nd, Ben Rhodes 3rd, Chandler Smith 4th, Stuart Friesen 5th, a shitty car stall on the track, Brendan Poole 6th, Austin Self 7th, Derek Kraus 8th, Todd Gilliland 9th, and Zane Smith 10th. Oh yeah, the Trump guy. Karma. And he lied. Self-canceling never works. Yeah, Crimea River. Anyway, that's the end of stage 1. And I get to see you back at stage 2. So, Friesen around! Stuart Friesen around!
Friesen, he was.
Oh man, a bubble driver. He's 72 points above the cut line, but that's not what you want. Otherwise,
Never with the bad luck for Friesen.
man.
Damn.
The Canadian Comet has crashed.
It was the 42 of Hocevar right behind.
Oh, what happened?
Hocevar's got a little run on him, and maybe they make a little call. Yes, they
Yep, the Canadian Comet was crashed by Carson in the corner. Say that 5 times fast.
Getting collected there.
It's a tough angle if you're
that's
looking to
damage
play
right
blame
there.
on somebody.
Yeah.
I don't know how you do that.
What is
from that
Hallmark
angle.
anyway?
You know, because sometimes you.
It looks like Hocevar was trying to get to the outside, and Stewart
Anyway,
just
that's
kept
beside the
coming
point.
up, but
Yeah,
I think
and
he also
that
cut
no
out,
traction
also
compound
the block
required
was
for
a little
that.
late. He was already on his
Oh
right side.
man, poor Stuart Friesen though.
That way,
Such a
trying to make him up
far
the wall.
cry
It
from
beat you,
2019
right?
when he
That could
finished
happen as
4th
well.
standings.
So it may look like it was a late block, but it also could have been just something there that the bumpers weren't lined up just
What's
right.
that blue crutter on his grill?
and it happens real fast, Joey, real fast. You watch
Maybe it
replay,
was from,
why they do that? Like
I want to say it was maybe from a part of the wall.
Alright.
It's
Painted blue or something.
Alright.
It's a big difference. Stage 2.
Oh look! Jennifer Joe Cobb stalled trying to get to pit road, it looks like.
Right at the entrance.
This is like the second race this season that's happened or something.
This is unsafe.
Why is she in the
condition.
Ford?
Get her pushed out of the
Did she
road
not
here.
drive one normally?
No, she's typically a Chevy.
Let me check that.
Issue that she
Look.
had in the 10, trying to find her here. Oh, there's Crafton going up track a little bit, and that's where Crafton's truck looked like he had a power situation.
What an experience move there. He realized he had an issue in the middle of the corner and said, I'm getting out of the way.
Yeah, so that sucks. Okay. Hopefully we're back for a good restart. And for the love of God, please pick up the pace.
Josh, he's just running a smooth, smart race. His first ride.
2 laps to go in stage 2.
2 laps remaining in stage 2. He's going to grab those stage.
Oh, Drew Dollar spins right behind Haley Deegan. And that's going to end the stage. Zane Smith wins the stage. Tanner Gray second, Derek Krause third, Brendan Poole fourth, Ross Chastain fifth, Josh Berry sixth, Chase Elliott seventh, Chandler Smith eighth, John Hunter Nemechek ninth, and Grant Anthony 10th. But holy crap, that was a bad crash for Drew Dollar. Oh man,
He was running 16th.
That's probably compound because he just lost
Like
it.
his- like
no
his-
help from anybody.
yeah, it's like his third start, and he crashed, and that's the second one he's crashed in, or something. Man.
We're really seeing that today. So Drew Dollar runs regularly in the Arca Menard series, the 20-year-old from Atlanta, Georgia. So he gets
Oh my
underneath
God.
here for
Yeah.
15th. He's
Yeah.
Well, I can't. The one thing is people can't put that on the one truck.
Tough angle entering that
Yeah,
shallow. Really
that was close.
Yeah, it was so.
to car to wrap around the
I don't. How does that? How do you get loose under someone?
you know, as you got a car on your outside. And
Think about it. They weren't on the PJ1.
Hard way.
That's a big hit. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
you could tell the damage that it was a big hit, but I'm telling you, when they do that tank
All
slam,
right.
you know, hits the-
Anyway, that ends stage 2, and I'll see you back at the end of the race.
in the car,
Oh, man.
just fourth through the fourth place
We've got
position.
9 laps to go to the end of the race. Nemechek with an almost 3-second lead over Chase Elliott.
Behind them, Chandler
Can't
Smith.
even hold off the champion or just get away from him long enough.
Been right outside that
There's
bubble,
Chandler
and
Smith
with Johnny Sauter
and back in
having a
6th.
great day today, he's going to gain some more points. It could be really big
The
for him.
highest of the bubble drivers right now.
Todd Gilliland out front for 8 laps earlier today, and they showed speed again today. It was reported down from pit road. Regan Smith indicating they've had some issues just finding grip in the track and in that truck, but it's been another solid run for the 38. As for the 21 of Zane Smith, maybe not contending for the win today, but he has led a dozen laps. Tyler Ankrum, another one of those drivers fighting and clawing to try to get himself above the playoff cut line. Yeah, just is going to chip out some more points here today on Johnny Sauter. This is only going to get tighter if we finish the way we're going
Right now, well,
for that playoff cut.
Self is back. I think Sauter will gain back some of the points that he lost.
And Tyler Ankrum.
But it's going to be
just
close.
gaining points on that cutoff line, and this is going to be a really good battle all the way to the playoff start.
Yeah, Johnny
Keep in mind, guys, this, including this race, there are just 5 races left in the regular truck series, regular truck season.
Today, also in that 15 truck. Yeah, all of those DJR or David Gillen racing.
A lot could happen in 5 races
Looked
too.
good at certain points today. Haley Deegan had a good run going. She had some issues here on pit road.
Oh, yeah, there's Haley
They were, but,
back in 29th.
some strong moments.
Oh, man.
So, watching this,
And the truck is still, it's cruising well. It's just, damn, man. Stupid things happen. 6 to go. On this race, it has gone on for way too long.
These trucks are up there. I like the way this has come in. We talked about early in the race.
It's been dragging along.
Now,
Most because of the early stage cautions. But all right, here's the battle for 7th. Oh, this is gonna be. This might get dicey. No.
Oh boy. Oh, it's going to.
Yep. Okay, Gillen holds off St. Smith. Oh, here he goes. 3 wide down there, and he's gonna clear him. He's gonna clear the 02 of Chris Wright as well. Or not. But he's going to get past Gilliland. Now he passes the 02. Excuse me. 4 to go.
you know a lot about basketball.
All right.
Yeah, not very much, but I do know that part. And I know I'm not very good at it. There's plenty of YouTube videos to attest.
There's no slam dunks coming on this side of the booth, all right?
They're 20 seconds back, and he's in 7th.
You're an Indiana guy. You know the hoops, but
That's exactly right.
Damn,
Joey, I think
wow.
that was extremely cruel of you to bring that up to your teammate there, Brad.
What are friends for?
All right, Nemechek is on cruise control at this point.
Enough not to have that stuff on
Yep,
camera.
pretty much.
I can't say I'm any better.
Talk about that KBM cruise control.
Yeah, the 4 and 51 cruise control. 18 has been relatively shit.
Yeah.
Timmy Hill in 20th.
It has some gremlins in it.
Yep. Has Chase Purdy finished in the lead the lap yet this season?
eventually led to the possibility of John Hunter driving for
I'm not
Kyle
sure.
Busch. And now that
I
has
feel like it's
come
done
to
right now at 18.
All right. Anyway, 2 to go.
There to go.
Looking for his 10th career win, his first at Texas and his 4th of the season. Whenever he hit double-digit wins in a series, it's always great. White flag out, one more time around for Nemechek.
They're leading the race, driving away. That is the last thing you want to see, but he has certainly earned his opportunity here on this final lap.
4 years ago, he won his first race at Chicagoland. And wait, no, that's not right. That was 6 years ago. And now, going through turns 3 and 4 for his 10th career win, John Hunter Nemechek wins the SpeedyCash.com 220 at Texas.
Hell yeah.
Win number 4 of the season. Double his
Chase Elliott
closest.
second.
Yeah, Chase Elliott second, Ross Chastain third and 4th, Austin Hill 5th, Chandler Smith 6th, Zane Smith 7th, Todd Gilliland 8th, Tyler Ankrum 9th, and Tanner Gray finally gets a top 10. Alrighty, good stuff. Anyway, I think that's going to do it for our coverage of today's race, because I can't take any more Texas, and I've got to do this again later. So, hopefully, next is obviously going to be the Xfinity race, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for me and for Dave the Race Fan. Have a good one.